Here's an inexpensive approach to barn door hardware. The track is a 1/8 inch thick by 2 inches wide, 7 feet long hot rolled steel. The spacers in the back are 5/8 inch tubing cut to 1 inch long. The brackets for holding the wheels are 1.5 inch thick hot roll steel, bent. The stops on the ends are also 1/8 inch thick, 1.5 inch wide, bent to a 90-degree angle on both ends. The wheel assembly consists of the 1.5 inch bar, 1/8 inch thick, bent around a piece of PVC tubing and then brought together with a vise. The wheels are off of a Harbor Freight furniture dolly with a V-joint cut in the center with a router, with 2 nylon washers on either end to keep it quiet. You end up with a wheel assembly like this. All of this hardware, metal together, should run about $40. The bracket for the roller assembly is bent to the same thickness as the door so that the roller will be in the center of the door and it will hang straight down.